Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on building a responsive dental clinic website using Hazel Pro. We'll start by selecting a template that fits our medical branding. Once the template is loaded, we can customize the hero banner. We are editing the main heading to a welcoming message that highlights the clinic's core philosophy and current promotional offers. To make our website highly functional, we will add an interactive online appointment request form directly onto the homepage. First, we insert a new single-column section at the bottom of the page. Next, we drag and drop essential form fields into our section. This includes text fields for the patient's name, email, and phone number, ensuring we gather crucial contact information upfront. We will also add date and time picker fields, as well as a drop-down menu to identify whether the visitor is an existing or a new patient, allowing for more streamlined scheduling. Before saving, we configure the Submit button, renaming it to Send, and then we adjust the layout using the section property tools to place the form cleanly within our design. In the form properties, we set up the destination email address for submissions and customize the confirmation message patients will receive after they submit their booking request. Now we'll edit our website's navigation menu. We can rename default items to match our structure, creating clear pathways to services, about, contact, and the book an appointment section. Let's update our category cards. We'll replace the default placeholder images with high-quality stock photos related to dental procedures, creating a more professional and visually engaging look. We then rewrite the headings on these cards to highlight specific dental services, such as general dental care, dental hygiene, and free whitening treatments for new patients. We can link our call to action buttons directly to the appointment form section on our page using anchor links, creating a frictionless user experience for prospective patients. With our homepage fully configured, let's create a dedicated Meet Our Doctors subpage to introduce the clinic's professional medical team. On this page, we'll arrange individual profiles for each dentist, complete with professional headshots, names, titles, and descriptive biography text to build trust with patients. Next, we create a clinic videos and photos page. We will configure our navigation menu to display Meet Our Doctors and clinic videos as drop-down options under the About link. To make our gallery page dynamic, we insert an educational video demonstration showing our dental equipment and procedures in action, paired with a short description. We can also build a structured grid gallery below the video player, showcasing high-resolution photos of our modern dental facilities and comfortable treatment rooms. Finally, we create a dedicated Contact Us page to host essential location details, our daily opening hours, and convenient transit information for patients. On the contact page, we set up clear, easy-to-read text columns listing our street address, phone number, fax number, and driving instructions. To make it even easier for patients to get in touch with general inquiries, we'll insert a second simple contact form on this page with name, email, and comment fields. Next, we will customize the page properties for our individual subpages, like the General Dentistry Service page, ensuring each template copy is correctly named and formatted. With all of our pages built, customized, and properly linked in the master navigation menu, our professional and fully responsive dental website is ready to be published.